Welcome guys, this is a new video. It's something a bit different. It's a drip irrigation system, a drip irrigation kit as it says here, designed for 20 pots, length of 20 meters and 4 bar max pressure. So you attach it to the tap, comes with the pressure restrictor. You can do it any way you like. Let's open this up. I bought 3 of these, nothing else in there. So you've got 20 meters of hose, let me measure that. I've got my ruler. So the tube itself is 6 mm, internal diameter 4 mm. So that's the tubing. You've got 2 ends. Let's pull this out. I don't want to take it all apart yet. 20 meters. And what do we have here? So you got the flow restrictor, so you don't pop all the hoses off. Nipples off. So in here you got a spring, some washers, pop that in there. So you attach that to your tap and you push this through the hose, right through the hole. You have to put some pressure into it. Yep, that's secure. Oh, he ain't coming off. Just take this off, get the hose off. There you go. Nice. So in here you have these, so put it in the ground and then you can attach the hose like that, put it in the ground, and you got T junctions, so cable here, cable there, and it'll water sprays out that way. You get some hooks, which there we go. Okay, T junctions. So here, this is where the water will drip out. Attach a cable here, cable here. And you also got these for the end. So you attach the hose here, and on this one a lot of people, I've read reviews, they've been attaching it this side. So when you attach it this side, the pressure will just pop it off, but when you attach it this side, the pressure won't pop it off and the water's going to come out there. So at the end of the line, attach it on this end, water will come out that end. So I've got it attached to my hose like this, and there's got one here, T junction, and the N one here. So let's turn this on and see what happens. Don't want to put too much pressure. It's a drip one, so as you can see, it's dripping. The further in line, the less it's going to drip. So you got 20 meters, and it's only $9.99 in Screwfix. They had 3 of them. I bought 3 of them in my local store. you just set it up on a timer and you're good. Especially with the heat wave where they're going to ban hose pipes, so you won't be able to use your hose pipe. But they don't say you can't use this. Just attach it to the tap instead of the hose and you're good, and no one will know that you're watering. I'm going to connect it to my plants and I'll show you another video of it working.
Few moments later.
Finally set it up. This is 20 meters away. That's the first one. That's the second one. It's dripping a bit more, a little bit less. That one. This one's dripping, but you can't see it. It's going because of the angle. There you go. And that one, that's doing 2 because that's on top of that one. Change the angle of this. Dripping, dripping, dripping. I think I should change the angle of this too. That's dripping. That's dripping. Is this one dripping? Yes, it is. That's dripping. That's dripping a lot less. That's dripping. A bit less. These are dripping, but not as much. So I might need to add a T-junction halfway along.
One eternity later.
So I did a T here because I was getting less flow at this end. So now I'm getting much better flow. So if you tee it off, you get much better flow. Okay, thanks for watching. These are my bean crops, by the way. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.